Hello everyone, I am Anjali and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make pajama pants for kids. Well, for that, first of all, you have the length of your fabric should be the whatever length you want for the pants, and add 4 more inches to it. So that will be the length. Like mine is, the length is 31, so I'm adding 4 more inches. So the length of my fabric is 35, and the width of the fabric will be the half of your hip measurement, and then add 6 more inches to it. Like the measurement of my pajama pant is 28 inches of hips, so half of 28 is 14 inches, so I'll add 6 more inches to it, so it makes 20 inches. So the width of my fabric is 20 inches. So this way I'll have this type of fabric. So you have to take 2 pieces of fabric of the same measurement, then keep both the sides on each other and then fold it like this. So this way you will have the 4 layers of fabric, 1 2 3 4. So now we will measure our measurements from here. Take 2 inches here and draw a straight line. So this line is for the fold when we will put elastic on this. So this is for that. And then take 1.5 from the open side, take 1.5 inside and draw a straight line. This will be your crunch part. So the measurement of the crunch part is that the third part of your hips. Like the measurement of my hips is 28, so half of 28 is 14, and half of 14 is 7, so I'll take 7 inches down. So this is your crunch part. So take 7 inches down and then again close from here, again 1.5. So this is 7 inches and this is 1.5. Now like an armhole, you have to make a curve here, little bit of curve with half an inch of line from here. Now from the downside, this is the downside. Take 1 inch of gap from the bottom. This gap is for the 2 inch of gap, sorry. You have to take 2 inches for the folding. And then from the open side, take 1 inch ahead like this. And now make a line joining these 2 parts, this 1 inch of gap line, and then up there the crunch line here. So we will make a line like this, joining these 2 points, and now we will cut this. We will cut this line and take it up straight So let's cut this first. This is the crunch line. This line will go straight down. So this way we will have the two parts, one for the one leg and one for the another leg. So now, as you can see, both the cuts are ready. This is the one part and this is the one part. So now we will join the crunch part together. We will stitch both of them like this, and then we will join this part with this crunch part. So both the crunch part. So let's join this first. So here we have joined both the crunch part, this and this. Now we will unfold it like this. So here we have got our two legs, one, and this is the another one. This is the crunch part. Now what we have to do is we have to take 2 inches of line here, and then we have to double fold this fabric, one small, and then till the line, 2-inch line, we have to fold it inside like this, like this. So this we have to do all around the waist part, and just give small gap here so that we can put elastic here. So after that we have to close the bottoms, 2-inch here, one fold, and the line of 2-inch there, till there we have to fold the second fold, and then we will close it from here and then go up, leaving just 1/2 inch of gap, and then we will go up there in the middle, and then we will come down till here. So let's do this. First we will do the waist part, and then we will do the bottom. So here you can see I have made this 2-inch of line for the elastic, and from the bottom I have folded the 2-inch from both the sides, and then I have stitched it from up and then down. So this way our trousers are ready. Now I will put this elastic inside this. For that I have made this gap. So here I'll put with the help of safety pin. So it will go inside, and then it will come from all around, and then I'll stitch it here, both the ends, and then I'll close the stitch. This way our trouser will be ready. So here you can see our pajama pants are ready to wear. It's looking like this. From back side it's like this, and from front side it's looking like this. It's very comfortable to wear. I hope you liked my tutorial. If you are liking my work, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.